Who's left to buy NVIDIA? Let me know. Let me know. This is one of the most owned stocks in every fund in the world, one of the biggest stocks in the world. Who's left to buy this thing? What is going to be the big catalyst that induces buying and drives the stock higher out of the current range that it's in? Well, maybe it came with some news from yesterday. Let's dive in. NVIDIA highlights a $1 trillion opportunity. Jensen Huang puts a 13-figure in reach. Speaking at the NVIDIA GTC conference on Monday, CEO Jensen Huang provided more details on the company's AI chip demand and heightened revenue forecast for the future. Huang has been bullish on opportunities such as data centers and AI chips in recent commentary from quarterly results and conferences. None of those comments may compare to Huang saying the $1 trillion figure at Monday's event. Huang said he expects NVIDIA revenue to double to $1 trillion through 2027, which comes after the company previously guided for visibility of $500 billion for its AI chips. The new figure suggests demand for Blackwell and Vera Rubin chips could be even higher than the most optimistic bulls have been forecasting. NVIDIA's CEO highlighted the demand from hyperscalers such as Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon during the keynote. The comments come as competition in the AI chip space could be rising and as the technology sector has faced pressure over whether the continued high spending by companies on AI and data center platforms and tools will continue. Huang's call for $1 trillion may provide new life into NVIDIA's stock. We'll see who's left to buy. Still waiting for an answer there, which is trading down year to date in 2026 as investors and analysts digest exactly what he meant and how revenue could play out in the future. NVIDIA has beaten analyst estimates for revenue in 14 straight quarters. Guidance from the company calls for first quarter revenue to be in a range of $76.44 billion to $79.56 billion versus a previous street estimate of $71.96 billion. Fiscal 2025 revenue for the company was $215.9 billion. That's up 65% year over year. Visibility of $1 trillion for AI chips could highlight the strong growth the company is likely to report in coming fiscal years. Anyone looking to buy and hold through earnings given this? Huang's keynote wasn't the only headline for NVIDIA on Monday. The company also announced an expanded partnership with Hyundai and Kia for autonomous driving built on NVIDIA's Drive Hyperion platform. Deals with Lyft and Uber were also highlighted on Monday. Uber is expanding an existing deal with NVIDIA and plans to launch a global fleet of vehicles powered by the tech giant. Self-driving vehicles from the partnership are expected to begin in Los Angeles and San Francisco in the first half of 2027. NVIDIA also announced the partnership with Adobe and T-Mobile, that's ADBE and TMUS, respectively. The company also highlighted several new products, including DLSS 5. And I know for the gamers out there, that one was probably pretty big. I'm excited to see what comes from that. GTC 2026 continues through March 19th, which could provide more opportunities for NVIDIA to highlight upcoming products and partnerships. We're not out of the woods yet. NVIDIA shares could be volatile through the end of the trading week, and indeed, we'll see how that holds up.